Hello, what's up guys? Today we have a compressor blast, and to the ground we got some 3 black pin blasts, wiring shorted to the ground. So what happened to this compressor? Two things: we have a high heat condition of unit inside the motor goes broke down, or we have a moisture in the system. Now I gonna check this 3 pin. If the compressor is good, well, continue the work of unit. And whatever that this 3 pin of the wirings will join each other will be blast. And let's talk about the bad compressor. And if the compressor will not run, also the cooling is not good. Now the compressor is bad. 1 is shorted, 2 is ground, 3 is winding. After you verify the unit is good, now the unit is good condition. Inside is very cool, and I feel good condition. We have a good compressor. If compressor is bad, cooling is not good, and you feel heat inside. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.